Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram account. So let's start. Open your Instagram app and click on sign up with phone or email. Here you can see you can sign up through phone or email. I am going to sign up through email. Enter your email address here. Instagram will send confirmation code to your email address. Now enter your confirmation code here. Add your full name. Now enter your new password and click next. Add your date of birth here. Create your user. Through this username, you can log in Instagram account. Click sign up as your username. Later on, you can change your username. Click skip button if you don't want to find friends through Facebook. Here you can set your profile photo. Click on add a photo button. Choose your photo from library. Select photo and click done. Uncheck this button if you don't want to share profile photo as post. Here you can follow famous celebrities and click next button. Finally, your Instagram account has been created. Thanks for watching my video. Before leaving, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.